Alrighty, hello my friends. My name is Bill Southern and we're in the Sonoran Desert today. And these are my Nugget shooter journals. And I've been using this SDC 2300 quite a bit lately, as you've noticed if you watch my videos. I was having a little bit of trouble with it shorting out. I ended up I had to order a second one of these adapters. But until it gets here, I just kind of modified that one so it doesn't short out anymore. This machine's from Minelab. It comes with an 8-inch mono coil, so the hot spot's all the way around on these. It's collapsible. Just like so. This flips around, goes like that, and the whole darn thing folds up. And you can throw it in a backpack. Is that not slick or what? Okay, so here we'll get it back out here. The handle actually locks this in place so it can't move. Here, flip this, get these out, lock them. Okay, and flip the coil up. We're ready to hunt. It's like that. And the settings on this machine are quite simple. This is where your headphones will go. And this is a waterproof machine, and that's why it has such a weird looking headphone plug. And the waterproof headphones plug into here, and of course the machine's waterproof, I believe, to 30 feet. I may be wrong on that. My brain wants to tell me 10 feet, but I think it's deeper. And there's only two switches on here, really. You got your on-off, and you got your sensitivity. Okay. The sensitivity switch right here starts, you got salt mode down in here, the blue, and you come up 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 up. You simply set this to where it's stable, or fairly stable. This machine has multi-period fast technology, so it's constantly wavering, playing kind of a tune, and you're looking for something to interrupt that. And we have your ground balance button. Okay, this is your volume indicator right here. This is if you do your EMI, and this is your volume. Okay, now these have a second function, which I'll show you in a few minutes. To turn the machine on, you simply take this right here. I got gloves on because it's cold here today. Turn it on like that. You can hear that. All right, it's ready to go. And we can adjust the volume right here. Okay, it's all the way down now, and we're going to bring it up. Simple as that. Now, I'm using a speaker, and you see it right here on my vest. And that speaker is also attached to my amp. And I run a steel phase amp with this machine. Okay, and that allows me to adjust volume and stuff on it. I'm going to turn this up just a hair so you can hear it better. If I run the steel phase amp, it improves the stability of this machine and also gives you a really good signal. Bruno wants to photobomb. Hi, buddy. Okay, so it's essentially ready to go. First thing you do is we're going to do a EMI tune. This is going to take interference out of the air and find the best channel to run on. Push the button. You'll hear it. Takes about a minute. Seems like forever if you don't count. So I usually count right along with it. 1001, 1002. We're close. There we go. Okay, now We're simply going to hold this button down and you ground balance. And it's balanced and ready to go. That's here in my boot, zipper on my boot. Okay, now there's a couple functions a lot of people don't really realize this machine has. And normally I'd have the threshold a little lower, but we're monkeying around here. To see where your batteries are, as far as charged or not, as simple as holding down these two buttons right here, both of them, volume and the EMI. And it shows how much batteries in the machine itself. But for now, we're going to shut this off. You can tell I have this in the lower tone. Listen. For my hearing, that sounds much better to me. Okay, and they do have another tone. So how you change that is you shut the machine off. Wait a second, we're going to hold down on the volume button. And we're going to turn the machine back on. Now listen. Totally different. And it depends on your hearing. Whichever sounds best to you is the most stable is the setting you want to use. And that's basically it for this machine. You keep it ground balanced, you hunt, you dig all targets. There is no discrimination at all on this machine. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. Now we're going to go out and hunt.